Very good morning, friends. Today we are going to study the new point of the marketing management paper second, that is ASS, after sale service. Okay, what do you mean by ASS? After sale service. Why after sale service is essential? What is the exact meaning of after sale services? What is the importance of after sale services? All such things we have to study. Before starting this point, we have to understand the brand name and trademark. What is the exact difference between brand name and trademark? That difference also we have to consider here. There are different points. There are various points I have mentioned here in this chart. And with the help of those points also, we can differentiate those both points. Okay. With the help of first point, we can differentiate these. Okay. First, we have to understand registration. In case of a brand name, any name, word, letter, symbol, design, or any sign composed by combining them is called brand. What is the meaning of brand? This is the meaning of brand: any name, word, letter, symbol, design, or any composed by combining them is called brand. Okay, what is the meaning of brand? This is the meaning of brand. Okay, now trademark. What do you mean by trademark? And what is the registration of trademark? What is the procedure of registration? If the same sign is legally registered, try to understand. If the same sign is legally registered in the concerned government office, is called trademark. It means that with the help of a trademark, with the help of this registration, we can differentiate these both points. Now, legal protection. What is the meaning of legal protection? What do you mean by legal protection? Brand or any symbol. Try to understand. Brand or any symbol, sign can be used by other firms or competing companies. No legal action can be taken even if the company imitated a brand used by other company. Okay, it means that in case of a brand, we have to understand it can be used by other firms. But what about trademark? Trademark is provided legal protection. Try to understand. Trademark is provided legal protection. No other company or firm can use this trademark except the producer or seller which has got it registered. It means that except seller and producer, if got it registered, nobody can use such type of a trademark. Try to understand. This is the second point of the difference between the brand name and trademark. Then scope. What is the scope of the brand name and trademark? All brands may not be trademark. Try to understand. All brands may not be trademark. And in case of trademark, all trademark include in brand. Okay, all trademark include in brand. This is the difference. Then another difference we have to understand: fundamental concepts. Fundamental concept, it means easy way to remember the product, contrary to competitors product or brands. This is the brand name. Okay, in case of brand name, what is the fundamental concept? It is the easy way to remember the product contrary to competitors product or brand. And in case of a trademark, conceptually it is a source of origin of any product or service. Try to understand. Then in case of the type, what is the difference between these two? In case of brand, in initialism, descriptive, founder's name, foreign words, combination, these are different types of brand name. Initialism, descriptive, founder's name, foreign words, and combination of all these. These are included, and these are types of the brand name. And in case of trademark, trademarks merely descriptive and generic, and trade names. These are included in trademark, and these are the types of the trademark. In case of legal difference, what is the legal difference is there? Brand name is not a legal name. Try to understand. Brand name is not a legal name. It is a simple product name given by the company or business. For example, Godrej, Bajaj. Okay, these are the names, simple names given by the company. And a trademark also known as a legal name or legal mark of the company or business. This is the legal difference. Then associated with, brand name is associated with culture. Try to understand. Brand name is associated with culture, personality, vision, and reputation. And a trademark is associated with description, packaging, and color scheme. That is also included in trademark. Okay. In case of length of use, in case of brand name, there is a no specific length of use of brand name. There is a no specific length of use of brand name. And in case of trademark also, trademark is associated with description. Trademark is associated with description. That's why there is a specific length. There is a specific length of use, that is a 10 years according to US Patent and Trademark Registration Office. It means that according to the US Patent and Trademark Registration Office, what is the life, what is the length of use? 10 years of the trademark. 10 years in case of trademark. And the last point we have to differentiate here, that is with the help of limitations. In case of brand name, only protected up to the state level. Brand name is protected up to the state level. And what about trademark? Trademark is not only protected up to the state level, it protects your product, brand, identity by establishing that mark is not being used before. And this is the difference between the limitation of the brand name and trademark. In this way, we have studied the difference between brand name and trademark with the help of these different points. Okay. Now we have to understand, we have to study ASS. What do you mean by ASS? Already I am again and again repeating, BSS is also important and ASS is also important. What do you mean by BSS? BSS means before sales service. Try to understand. BSS means before sales service and ASS means after sale service. What is the meaning of after sales service? We have to study here. Now, after sales support, sometimes called after sales service. Try to understand. What is the another name is there? After sales support, and that is also sometimes called as a after sales service. Is any service provided after the consumer or customer has purchased a product. It means that any service is provided after the purchase of the product. Okay. After sales support may be provided by the retailer, manufacturer, or a third party customer service or training provider. It means that such type of after sales services are provided by different these parties. Typically, examples of after sales services includes support regarding warranty service, training or repair and upgrades. These are the examples of ASS. After sales support may also be considered to be a part of company's overall marketing strategy. Some customers might seek out the company's product based on its after sales service. It means that number of customers are giving preference to particular company's product. For what purpose? For the good after sales services. For example, Best Buy companies, Greek Squad, or Apple Care. Okay, Apple includes Apple Care. These are the examples of after sales services. Okay, now after sales service After sales service is any support. Try to understand. After sales service is any support provided to a customer after product or service has already been purchased. Already customers have purchased our product and services at that time. For support purpose, such type of ASS are provided. Okay, try to understand. It means that after sale services are provided after making sale of the product. Okay, then companies use after sale support as a business strategy. Company can use, or companies also are going to use ASS as a business strategy, as it's typically lead to the higher customer satisfaction. For what purpose? To lead the higher customer satisfaction, brand loyalty, and even word of mouth marketing. These three aspects are very important. Try to understand, my friends. Marketing depends upon all these things. Okay, all these three things, because your success depends upon these three things. What are those three things? Customer satisfaction, brand loyalty, and word of mouth. Okay, word of mouth marketing. Then examples of ASS includes, what are the examples of ASS? Try to understand. Warranty service, training, or repair of the product, or repair for a product. These are the some simple examples I have quoted here. Okay, now we have to understand after sales services. With the help of this diagram also, with the help of this chart also, you can understand your service inquiry means after sales service. What about after sales service is required for these three things: for spare parts service, for repair service, and on-site support. Okay, all these three types of the services are also included in ASS. What are those three things? What are those three types of the services? First, spare parts service. Second, repair service, and on-site support. All such services are also going to provide here. In case of a vehicle, any four-wheeler or two-wheeler, you can get such type of three types of the services. Spare parts you can get in the showroom, and in the repair service you can get in the workshop, and on-site support is also provided by the company. Okay, these three types of these after sales services are also given for your example purpose only, for understanding purpose only. Now, why after sales service is essential? What is the reason behind it? Try to understand. If after sales services are not made available, what will happen? What will be the effect on marketing? You have to understand. As a student of marketing, you have to understand, you have to study. If after sales services are not provided, if ASS are not provided at that time, what will happen? What type of difficulties will be faced by the marketing manager? What type of difficulties will be faced by the executives? Such type of things also you have to understand. It means that what is the need of ASS? What is the need of ASS? We have to understand. After sales services plays an important role in customer satisfaction and customer retention. Try to understand. It generates loyal customers and increase the brand value. That's why ASS is important. For increasing the brand value and for generating the loyal customers, ASS is important. Without ASS, that is not possible. Then another thing also we have to consider here: customer starts believing in the brand and get associated with the organization for a longer duration. Try to understand. Customers are associated with the organization for long period. They speaks good about the organization and its product and services. That's why ASs are important. It means that customer speaks good about the organization and its products and services. That's why ASS is important. Then a satisfied and happy customer, try to understand. A satisfied and happy customer brings more. Satisfied and happy customer brings more. What brings more? Individuals and eventually more revenues. Individuals and eventually more revenue for the organization for a long time. If customer is satisfied, if customer is happy, That is possible. What is possible? To create revenue for long time. Okay, that is also possible with the help of happy and satisfied customer. That's why ASS is important, because when customer will satisfied, if quality ASS are provided, if quality support services are provided, then and then your customer will be satisfied, and then that is possible. Then ASS plays a pivotal role. Try to understand. ASS plays a pivotal role. What type of role? In strengthening the brand between the organization and customer. There is a very important role played by the ASS. For what purpose? For strengthening the brand between organization and customer. These two things are important, and between these two things, such type of strengthening is important. Okay, and that is also possible with the help of what? With the help of after sales services. Okay, now what are the best services? Try to understand. With the help of this chart also you can understand best services. In this chart, different types of the dynamics I have mentioned here. For example, best service. With the help of best service, what is possible? All these things are also possible. Try to understand. Because if your service is best, your buyer first trust. Okay, first buyer trust. Try to understand. Then guarantee is also provided there, choice is also available there, support is also available there. It means that promise, whatever maybe promises you have given, those should be fulfilled, and these are also the best services, best ASS, in case of the marketing, in case of the manufacturing and selling organization also. Now, what are the advantages of after sales services? Try to understand. There are different types of the advantages of ASS. And ASS also we have to understand, it can build up and maintain sellers' goodwill. When sellers' goodwill is possible, when it is possible to maintain and build up the seller's goodwill, if seller is going to provide sufficient and quality ASS, then and then that is possible. Otherwise, it's not possible. Try to understand. Then another advantage also we have to understand. What is it? Mass sale of costly consumer durables. Mass sale, it means that in large amount of sale you can prepare, you can make such type of a costlier consumer durables, and that is also possible only when after the sales service for them. If sales services are provided to such type of customers, at that time कॉस्टली जे प्रोडक्ट्स असतात, जे काही महागडे प्रोडक्ट्स असतात, ते महागडे प्रोडक्ट्ससुद्धा आपल्याला काय करता येतात? ग्राहकांना विकता येतात, आणि त्याचबरोबर ग्राहकांच्या मनामध्ये गुडविल निर्माण होऊ शकते. दॅट इज ऑल्सो द बेस्ट advantage of the ASS. Another thing also we have to understand in case of the advantages. Sales promotion and campaign become effective. Try to understand. Sales promotion and campaign becomes effective and truthful when it highlights the provision of after the sales service, and that is also essential. It means that sales promotion and campaign is also possible. Also, ASS develops and maintains long-standing relations with the customers. After-sales services are also very useful for developing such things and maintaining such things. Okay, and also it is the best selling point. After-sales service is the best selling point in the marketing of machinery, equipment, and appliances. That is also an important advantage of the ASS. Try to understand. In this way, these are the 5 different advantages of after sale services. Okay, now when customer will be satisfied, if you would like to get 100% satisfaction surely, at that time you should have to provide such type of after sales service in quality manner. Okay, it means qualitative services you should have to provide to your customer, then and then that is possible, otherwise it's not possible. Okay, now after sales services we have to understand after sales services, we have to understand sales professional needs to stay. Sales professional needs to stay in touch with the customers even after deal. Okay. After deal also, such type of a touch is essential. Never ignore their call, emails, messages, etc. Try to understand. Now, after sales services, there are different types of the techniques, and those techniques also we have to understand, we have to study. First technique I have to given here, I mentioned here, call them once in a while to exchange pleasantries. This is the first technique. Call them once in a while to exchange pleasantries. Okay. Then give them necessary support. This is also important technique. Then any product, any help that is essential, you have to provide them. For example, install, maintenance, or operate a particular product. Try to understand. Sales professionals selling laptops must ensure Windows are configured in the system and customers are able to use net without any difficulty. Such type of a thing you should have to think about it. Okay. Similarly, organizations selling mobile SIM cards must ensure the number. Try to understand. SIM cards must ensure the number is activated immediately. If you sell the mobile at that time, you should have to take care about the activation of SIM card. Okay. Then customer can fulfill their needs with your mobile also. Then another thing is also there, any product, try to understand, any product whatever may be found broken, try to understand, any product whatever may be found broken or in a damaged condition must be exchanged immediately by the sales proportion. Okay. Whatever may be broken product you found but is sold out to the customer, at that time you should have to exchange immediately without a delay. Okay. Don't harass the customers. Try to understand. Don't harass the customers. Listen to their grievances and make them feel comfortable. That is also the important technique of the ASS. Okay. Then another technique also I have mentioned here. Create a sanction in your organization's website. Create a sanction in your organization's website where the customers can register their complaints. Try to understand. Customers can register their complaint on website also, and such type of facilities should be available there. And that is also included in ASS. Every organization should have a toll-free number where the customer can call and discuss their queries. It means that a toll-free number you should have to provide there. With the help of that toll-free number, customer can discuss their difficulties, queries, problems, doubt, and anything. Okay. The customer service offers should take a prompt action on the customer's query. Try to understand. The problems must be resolved immediately. It means that whatever may be problems are created, those problems must be resolved immediately. That's why such type of a technique is also used. Then another technique I can discuss here, I would like to discuss here, take feedback. Take feedback of products and services from the customers. Feedback helps the organization to know the customer better and incorporate the necessary changes for better customer satisfaction. This is the main use of feedback. Okay. With the help of feedback, you can make such type of changes also. Then another technique is also there. Ask the customers to sign annual maintenance contract, AMC, with your organization. Okay. AMC is an agreement. What is the meaning of AMC? AMC is an agreement signed between organization and customers where the organization promises to the provide after sales services to the second party for the certain duration or certain period at a nominal cost. only nominal cost can be charged and such type of a ASS can be provided. Then last technique I would like to explain here, the exchange policy must be transparent. In case of four-wheelers, two-wheelers, such type of exchange exhibitions you'll find there. And in those exhibitions, such type of a policy must be transparent and in favor of the customer it should be. The customer who comes for the exchange should be given same treatment as given to him when he came for the first time. It means that same treatment should be given to the customers. Okay? Speak to them properly and suggest him the best alternatives. You should have to speak the customers properly and you should have to give suggestions for the best alternatives. These are different techniques of the ASS. Now, support. What is the meaning of support? It means that support is also included in ASS, after sales services, and such type of a support is also required in case of n number of products. Okay, at that time you have to provide the support wherever and whenever it is necessary, and whatever is also necessary you should have to provide, and that is also included in support. Okay, now we have to study this most common types of ASS. There are different types of the after sale services, but common after sale services I would like to discuss here. First service is there, first type is there, pre-installation services. What is the meaning of pre-installation services? Whenever a product is brought, try to understand, whenever a product is bought, it comes with the mutual for the, it comes with the manual for the, it comes with the trial for the installation. Depending on the nature of the product, the installation may vary. It means that installation procedure is different from product to product. While some products have specific installation steps, other products are customer friendly. It means that products like a ceiling fan, air conditioners, washing machines, etc., such types of the products require technical expertise. For installation after the product, like mobile phones, does not. It means that mobile phone does not require such type of ASS. Now, providing free pre-installation is one of the ASS. Try to understand. You should have to provide such type of free pre-installation to the customers. Most of the companies provide such type of services for free of charge. Okay, very few company may charge. Providing good installation, providing good services starts in the customers and consumer services relation on the good note. Try to understand. And such services are also the starting points of the relations with the customers. Then another type of after sale service is there, user training. User training means what? Training of the end user is another part of the ASS. In case of industrial machinery, this is very crucial part. Even in case of surgical equipments also, which are used in the operation theaters, it is very essential that the doctor has to get trained on the machine. Such type of a training you should have to provide to the doctors also. Organizations like Medtronic ensures they provide training to the end users or doctors in their case effectively. Okay, it is very essential that user training is provided. Propositions user is going to be handle the product. It means that such type of user training should be provided. Then third type of the ASS is there, warranty services. This is perhaps the most common type of the after sale services provided by the almost every company for almost every product. Warranty services includes repairing, replacement of the selected parts of the product for a selected period of time. For example, Apple provides Apple Care of iPhone for a period of 1 year from the date of purchase. This is included in the Apple Care. customers have to option of the extending the warranty by purchasing Apple Care before the end of the official warranty. Okay. For the first year, customers are provided the free replacement of the repairing of the device for any problem. While from the second year, they are charged if they do not have Apple Care. In some cases, there could be selective warranty services like after sale services of the air conditioner. Many companies offer free repair and services for 1 year from the date of purchase by the charge. Okay, by the charge if there is a replacement of any plastic components. Similarly, television will have warranty of 5 years, but the remote of the television with having 1 year warranty only. Okay, in such a way different companies have different policies for their product. Try to understand, different companies have their different policies. Now next ASS is also there. What is it? Online support. E-commerce companies have started providing online support for any of the product related queries. Okay, there is a dedicated helpline for the customer service wherein grievance redressal mechanism is carried out according to the standard procedure of the company. The customer may call the online support or chat as per his comfort. He can also discuss the problem and get it resolved. Online support is very effective for software services and laptop support. The customer services can share the screen. The customer service can share the screen and resolve the problem immediately in most of the cases. And such type of online support is also essential. And this type of ASS is also used by such electronic companies also. Okay. Then next type of after sale service, that is return or replacement. For a limited period of time, companies provide free replacement of the product. Try to understand. For a limited period of time, this time period is very limited in case of any queries. Okay. However, this is with certain terms and conditions. In some cases, replacement may be of the entire device, or in other cases, replacement may be only of the defective part. Okay, and such type of a replacement is also done there. In case of returns, the product is returned to the company, and customer is issued with the either the store credit or replace the product or the amount of refunded. Okay, or the that amount is refunded. The rules may vary according to the company. Try to understand. Those rules may be vary according to the company. For example, Amazon provides return for almost all products, but replacement for the limited products. Such type of variation you will find from company to company. And this is the important type, fifth type of the return and replacement of the ASS. Another type of the ASS we have to study here, features and benefits. What is it? Features and benefits. One of the type of the ASS, some companies provide additional features. For example, replacement of a part for the lifetime, for free counseling for the entire duration of the product. A perfect example of this would be when Google provided free unlimited storage of photos on Google Photos for all the Pixel devices. This is a very important example. Okay. However, this comes with the conditions of free storage extending to the limited time. Similarly, Apple provides exchange or upgrade of the old mobile phones with the new mobile phones in the US. Storage device like Western Digital there provides a lifetime warranty for the external hard disk. Try to understand. If for any reason the hard disks are corrupted, they are replaced for free of cost if within the limit. Okay, and such type of service is also essential, and that is also included in after sale service. And the last after sale service we have to consider here, we have to study here, what is it? Upgrades. This is usually work with software and electronic companies. Upgrading a software for the device for a limited period is one of the types of the after sale service followed by the company. The upgrades are for limited time, owing the fact that the hardware remains the same throughout the years, and it may not be compatible to run new software after the period of time. For example, Apple follows the policy of the providing over the air OTA over the air upgrades for iOS software for about 4 to 5 years. A post which the upgrades stop. The customer may still use their devices, but it won't be supported by the latest software. Same is followed in case of the Android phones. The mobiles get the software upgraded for few years depending on the model, a post which, okay, the upgradation steps and upgradation is also stopped. This is also considered a great marketing strategy to ensure regular upgradation of the phones by the customers. It means that these are the 7 different types of the ASS, after sales services. What are those? Pre-installation services, user training, warranty services, online support, returns and replacements, features and benefits, and upgrades. These are 7 most common types of these after sales services. Try to understand. In this way, all these services also we have studied, and now we have completed this part of the chapter. Okay, thank you very much.